This Anchor Protocol, ANC, Cost Expectation 2022 video depends on specialized examination. Underneath, you will see the key junctures why we showed up at our Anchor Protocol, ANC, value investigation and expectation. The cryptographic money market is developing consistently and picking up speed, with the all-out market capitalization of all digital currencies tending towards $1.255 trillion, as indicated by CoinMarketCap. The ANC cost has expanded by more than 101% in the beyond 14 days, which is comparable to $1.01 for each $1 venture. In this Anchor Protocol, ANC, value expectation and cost examination, we investigate the presentation of ANC and in the event that it will reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. However, before that, let us take a gander at is Anchor Protocol, ANC. What is Anchor Protocol, ANC? Anchor Protocol, ANC, is a loaning and getting convention on the Terra blockchain and the 29th undertaking on Binance launch pool. It utilizes an over-collateralized engineering to permit clients to loan, get and procure interest with their computerized resources. Anchor is an investment funds convention on the Terra blockchain that empowers quick withdrawals and pays investors a low instability loan cost, which is among the most noteworthy among stablecoins at 19.5%. Anchor puts aside installments accessible to borrowers who vow fluid marked POS resources, Luna and Beth, as security. How does Anchor Protocol, ANC, work? Three fundamental components run the Anchor Protocol, ANC. Basset, currency market, and credit liquidation. The Basset, fortified resource, a tokenized stake on a POS blockchain, is one of Anchor's key natives. A Basset token represents responsibility for marked proof of stake, POS, resource. A Basset, similar to the hidden marked resource, gives block prizes to the holder. A Basset, in contrast to a marked resource, is both movable and fungible. Accordingly, clients might execute with Basset similarly they do with the fundamental POS resource. All in all, a Basset lets its proprietor gather block compensations while holding the liquidity and fungibility that marked resources need. Bassets can be created on any POS blockchain that supports AVI contracts, making them generally material. Bassets are a fundamental part of Anchor, and they hold extraordinary significance in giving a steady loan fee to Terra stores. Current market status for Anchor Protocol, ANC. At the hour of compassing, the cost of Anchor Protocol, ANC, is $0.207, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $141,815,012 and an expansion in the cost of 1.26%. The present coursing supply of ANC is 350,381,852.32 ANC. A portion of the significant trades for ANC are Binance, Coinin, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bank, Mex, and others. Since we have seen the current status of ANC on the lookout, we should take a gander at the Anchor Protocol, ANC, value expectation and cost investigation. Anchor Protocol, ANC, Price Analysis 2022. Anchor Protocol, ANC, is in the 338th situation in the market capitalization of digital currencies as per CoinMarketCap. It is expanded by 101.4% in the beyond 14 days. Be that as it may, will the new changes and improvement in the blockchain assist the computerized money with estimating to reach higher? How about we continue to the graphs in this ANC cost expectation video? Specialized investigation pointer that is utilized to decide pattern headings by estimating the unpredictability above or beneath the candles. From the Keltner channel signals for ANCUSDT, we can derive that the cost of Anchor Protocol could get bullish in certain days, since the cost is inside the principal half of the channel from the base when we think about the new gains. Notwithstanding, in the long haul, the cost could get bullish since top cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum are as of now getting negative from the new bullish run. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, measures the general force in the extent of ongoing cost changes to reason oversold or overbought resources. The RSI worth of the one-day diagram is 35.64. This shows that ANC is showing a powerless pattern since its RSI lies somewhere in the range of 30 and 50. Anchor Protocol, ANC, Price Prediction 2022. The diagram underneath shows that ANC has performed perfect throughout recent days. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, Anchor Protocol could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its $0.714 RESISTANCE1 level, and move higher to $6.167 RESISTANCE5 level, the 2022 bullish sign. In the meantime, our drawn-out ANC cost forecast 2022 is bullish. It has a high chance of outperforming its ongoing all-time high, at about $8.31 as per CoinMarketCap this year. Nonetheless, that will possibly occur assuming it breaks numerous past mental protections. Assuming that this bullish pattern proceeds, ANC will reach $6.167 toward the finish of 2022. Additionally, the primary portion of 2022 will show quick development, up to $0.714. Then this ascent will dial back, however no significant falls are normal. With impending organizations and advancements coming to $10 is very hopeful in the cost of view, however, without a doubt practical for the not so distant future. Anchor Protocol, ANC, Price Prediction 2023. In the event that Anchor Protocol, ANC, holds the help level around 100 MA, the drawn-out moving normal of 100 days solidly, purchasers will then have more than adequate time and strength to fashion the following assault mission on the essential level at $20. Anchor Protocol, ANC, Price Prediction 2024. According to the most recent updates, improvements, Anchor Protocol, ANC, cost expectation, and new task gauges of the stage, Anchor Protocol financial backers could expect numerous associations and mixes around 2024. Additionally, this could help the cost of ANC in the crypto market, and it will be all that speculation, as the cost can spike and stretch around $30. Anchor Protocol, ANC, Price Prediction 2025. In the following 4 years, ANC costs could race up to $50. In any case, arriving at this level couldn't be so challenging for ANC as extra medium present moment and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This demonstrates that ANC has a high chance of coming to another ATH soon in the following 4 years according to the expectation. In the interim, our drawn-out ANC cost expectation 2022 is bullish. Furthermore, it has a high chance of outperforming more than $6.167 and may arrive at above $10 this year. In any case, that will possibly occur assuming it breaks past numerous mental protections. As said above, ANC might